What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So as you can see that right here, I have a new platform, and on this platform you can actually start making some free USDT for yourself every single day right there. Now all that you need to do is just follow my steps, and by the end of this video you'll be making up to 2 USDT every single day to your crypto wallet right now. So as you can see that this site works on the basis of VIP level, so every single day you'll be able to be assigned to a VIP level, and on this VIP level you can make some amount of USDT ranging from about 0 USDT all the way to 13 USDT, even 100 USDT every single day. And as you can see that right now, there are very many levels of VIP, from the VIP 0. So there is the VIP 1, which is my current level of VIP that I chose for myself to be able to test it out for you guys. Now there is the VIP 2, VIP 3, all the way to the bottom guys, which is the VIP 15 right there. So for the purpose of this video, we're only going to be focusing on this VIP 1 right here, which is my current level of VIP. Now for you to go ahead and do the task, you just need to click on this option right here where it says start quantify. Now once you click on it, it will start loading right there, and as you can see that it has started quantifying for us some USDT. So by the end of this process, we'll be able to see how much USDT you're going to be getting in return right there. So there we go. As you can see, we've been able to get about 1.3377 USDT right away to our crypto wallet. So what we're just going to be doing right now is really check our balance if the money has been added. And there we go guys, you can see that right now we have about 1.53 USDT that is able to withdraw. That is today's earnings right there. Now for you to withdraw, all that you need to do is just go ahead and click on this option right here where it says withdraw. Now once you click on that, you can see that first you need to go to your home page, because that's where you'll get the button. Now for you to withdraw, you just need to head over back to your home page and click on this option right here where it says withdraw. And once you click on withdraw, it will just take you to this page, and as you can see that from here on, you need to select your USDT TRC20 wallet address and be able to withdraw this 1.53 USDT right now. So just click on it. Now type in 1.53 because that's the amount that we have in our crypto wallet as of right now. So it's 1.5337. so the next thing that you will need to do is just put in a withdrawal address and put in a security password right there for you to make a withdrawal. Now just click on the option where it says confirm. So once you click on confirm, you can see that right here guys, our withdrawal was very successful. So all that you need to do is just head over back to our crypto wallet and refresh the page until our payments arrives in right there. So there we go guys. Now as you can see, I'm in my crypto wallet, and as of right now I've not received the amount yet. So what I will just need to do is keep refreshing this page until I receive the payment. As of right now, I only have about 50.67 USDT, and once the payment arrives in, we'll be able to continue with this video right away. Now back to the video guys, back to the video. So as you can see that for me, I'm in a VIP 1, and on this VIP 1 I'm able to get about 1.33 USDT every single day. So for you, once you sign up for a free account, you'll be assigned the VIP 0. Now for this VIP 0, you'll only be getting about 2% of about 2 USDT that will be given for a trial. Now from this amount that you'll be able to get, you can see that it's very little, and you need to go ahead and increase your VIP level. Now for you to go ahead and upgrade your VIP level to the VIP 1, all that you need to do is just go ahead and find the account with at least 13 USDT. Now for you to find the account with at least 13 USDT, you just need to head over back to your home page and click on this option where it says recharge. So once you click on recharge, just head over back here and click on this USDT TRC20 TRX USDT BEP20 or the BNB chain right there to be able to fund your account right away. And once you've done all of that, you'll be able to go ahead and start earning some USDT in return every single day. So there we go guys. As you can see, as we were waiting for our payment to arrive in, it was able to arrive in within less than 3 minutes, and we've been able to get about 5.337 USDT exactly from this platform. So you can see that this platform still pays as of right now, and all that you need to do is just go ahead and start up right away. And once you do all that, you'll be able to start earning some USDT every single day and be able to increase your chances of getting free miners every single day guys. So all that you need to do is just go ahead and sign up right now. So I think I will just end this video right here, and let's meet in the very next video.